So I'm starting the session. Finally, it is connected to the server. Okay, so here it is. Welcome back. Very good afternoon to all of you. And today I'm gonna take this session on how can you actually generate high quality lead for your coaching client. Okay, so we are going to discuss the fundamentals and then we will also do the practicals as well side by side. Okay, so guys, so before I dive in, so I would request all of you that please like and share this video and please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, because if you subscribe to the channel you'll get future notification updates as well. Alright, so I believe I'm audible. If I'm audible, please type yes in the comments so that I understand that yes, I'm audible over here. Okay, so here it is. So okay, so let me start now. The first important thing is when you are doing a Google search ads campaign, right? There are two important components. One is you research your competitors, and then the most important component is you have to become a keyword commando. Now you might wondering what is keyword commando, okay? So keyword commando is like you are super intellectual in analyzing the target keywords. Okay, now what do you mean by target keywords? So let me give you a few examples. So target keywords. Okay, so in target keyword means when you are doing a Google search ads campaign, right? So you need leads, correct? When you need leads, right? So which keywords you will target? Okay, so you will target navigational keyword, you will target commercial keywords, or commercial keywords are also called transactional keywords. Okay, transactional keywords are going to give you inbound leads, correct? Now we will understand how are you're going to gather information, okay, for keywords, right, using different tools, correct? So we have to gather intellectual information for the keywords, so you have to leverage keyword planner. Okay, so now you have to brainstorm the terms your ideal client are searching for, right? Okay, so now today we are going to take the example of CSM training and certification. Okay, so let's open keyword planner. Okay, let's open keyword planner over here. So when you are conducting a Google Ads campaign or organic campaign, your keyword research matters a lot, right? If you're targeting the right keyword for your campaign, definitely you're going to get more inbound leads. If you're targeting wrong keyword for the campaign, definitely your campaign will go in the mess. So we have to be very particular on what type of keywords you're going to target. Alright, so now when you are going to come to Google Ads dashboard here, okay, so again I'm writing the points so that you'll always remember. Go back to Google Ads dashboard, click on tools. Okay, if I click on tools here, right, what do you see here? In tools, click on planning. Okay, in planning, click on keyword planner. Okay, alright, yeah, so let's open keyword planner for now. So now once you are in keyword planner, you have two options. Discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. Get search volume and forecast. Right, now today we will understand that how can you actually spy on your competitors' keywords. In my previous sessions, I've already explained you how can you do manual keyword research, correct? Now today we will understand how will you spy on your competitors' keywords. What keywords your competitors are actually targeting, correct? Okay. One second, guys. Okay. Right. One second. Let me see if I'm audible. Okay. So. Uh, okay. Uh, if I'm audible, please type yes in the comments in the YouTube live session or in the Google Meet Messenger. Everyone, now am I audible? Please type yes in the YouTube live session or in the Google Meet Messenger so that I get to know, because I have adjusted my sound settings as well. Am I audible now? Because the volume is pretty high over here. Can you please type in Google Meet Messenger? If I'm audible, please type yes in the Google Meet Messenger, because YouTube live streaming is going on. Vishal, Saloni, Vinita ma'am, Lakshman, Mithila. If I'm audible, please type yes, or if I'm or not audible, please type no, so that I can check my sound settings as well. Can you please do that? Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm audible, so please type yes. Okay. Uh, all right. Cool. All right. Okay. Now I'll move forward. So now, today we are going to understand on how can you spy on your competitors' keywords. Okay. So let's take an example of ScaleUpConsultants.com. Let's take the example of ScaleUpConsultants.com. Yeah. Okay. So I'll open this URL over here as well. Okay. So let me open that. So if I go in courses here, they offer Scrum Master certification training. All right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is, so they offer Scrum Master certification training. So now what you have to do is, you have to open Google in incognito mode. Okay. You just type here as CSM certification. Okay. Got it? So now you'll see there are a lot of Google ads actually being visible for the targeted keyword here, right? Okay. So now today we are going to understand how can you spy on your competitors' keywords, right? So open this URL, knowledgehub.com. Open this URL over here. Okay. So this is the competitor URL, right? Okay. These are called as UTM parameters. Okay, so what you can see here, see this is UTM parameters. We will understand how you can integrate UTM parameters, right? So these are all UTM parameters, right? Okay, so now we need to understand what keywords my competitor is targeting, correct? Okay, I just copy this URL over here, Control C. Okay, so let me do that. Yeah, Control C over here. Okay, so now I close this URL. Alright, okay, now I click on discover new keywords. Now here you have two options: start with keywords, start with a website. Okay, two options: start with keywords or start with a website. Now you have to click on start with a website. Okay, I click here. So now we are going to spy on competitors keywords here. Enter the URL. Now you have two options: use the entire site or use only this page. So I'm going to click on use only this page. Just check use only this page. Okay. Then click on get results. Yeah. So I click on get results here. Alright, cool. Now you will get a list of the competitor keyword, which keywords your competitors are targeting, correct? So when you are doing a Google search ads campaign, this is very important that you need to know what keywords my competitors are targeting, right? So then you can download this keywords in CSV file, okay? Yeah, so this is my competitors keyword sheet ready, okay? Just now save this file as competitors keywords. Okay, so now you have a list of competitors keywords, correct? Now from this sheet, now what you have to do is you have to filter the keywords, right? Okay, you have to filter the keywords from Google Keyword Planner. high co- High competition, high search volume, okay, high co- high search volume, low competition, okay, high search volume, medium competition, okay, then vice versa, medium competition, medium search volume, okay, medium competition, okay. So this is how it is, like, then low search volume, low competition. So basically the keyword can be categorized in three sections. In three sections: high, medium, low. Okay. Now let's assume that you are a training organization, right? So now you have to identify which are the commercial keywords, right? If I am a training organization, right, so now first thing is I need to identify if I am offering CSM training courses. So this is my commercial keyword, CSM course, okay. Then you can say some master certification online. This is my commercial keyword. Ideally you should target keywords which are super specific, right? Okay. Then you can say CSM training, yes, okay. Then you can say C certified scrum master certification, okay. Then what is important here is, okay, when you're targeting keywords, right, your keyword match type matters a lot, okay. When you're creating a Google search ads campaign, okay. So one campaign, in next session I'll show you some practicals on that. One ad group, you have two ads. Ideally, let's say you create this campaign structure, okay. When you create this campaign structure, then what you have to do is, okay, you can, in that one ad group, you can target one keyword or two keywords. Let's say I target CSM training. So keyword match type, what I'm going to do is, okay, I'll say one is broad match CSM training, one is phrase match CSM training, one is exact match CSM training in that one ad group. Okay, so I'm gonna target broad match. Okay, I'm gonna target phrase match. Okay, then I'm gonna target exact match. So ideally you should target two keywords. Let's say I take one more keyword, CSM certification training. So this is broad match. I target phrase match CSM certification training. I target exact match CSM certification training. Okay, this is the exact match. Now once you do this, you have to define your, once your keywords are ready, you have taken a look at your comparators keywords. Okay, so in your campaign, ideally there are two ways you can target. Okay, you can target one or two keywords with all the keyword match types. Okay, or either you could also have a single keyword ad group, or you could also have single keyword ad group. Okay, so in this session I wanted to give you more priority on keyword research and how to spy on your competitors keywords, right? So this is important. Then going forward I'm going to tell you how you can use AI to create ads. Okay, so first let's complete the fundamentals as well. Okay, so today we are going to understand the backend part, right? Okay, yeah, so we understood about intelligent gathering and high value targets. You have to prioritize keywords with high search volume. So I have already shown you. So these are the battlefields where your most potential customer resides. Then long tail keywords are very important for you guys. Long tail keywords are your secret weapons. Very important. You just don't target broad terms. Okay, like coaching, you know, cannot target broad terms. Instead you can use long tail keywords. Okay, so it could be CSM certification training in India, CSM certification training cost. Okay, the more keyword is your specific. Okay, ideally what happen is any target customer, he's not going to type a single keyword or he's not going to type a two phrase keyword, but somebody who is a serious prospect, he will definitely type a long tail keyword. Okay, so please make sure that you use long tail keywords in your Google search ads campaign. Okay, yeah, all right. Now we are going to discuss on crafting compelling headlines. So first you will understand the concept and then I'm going to tell you how you can use AI to your advantage in Google search ads. Yes. Now if you want to craft compelling headlines, so what are the pointers here? Okay, one is what are the pain points of my target audience, what are the gains and how you can spark curiosity. So when it comes to pain points, basically you need to understand what are the deepest frustration my target audience is having, right? What are they struggling with, what are their problems and what are you trying to solve. So first you need to understand the pain points of my target audience, then you need to discuss about gains. Gains means what? You need to create headlines in such a way that you can promise the ultimate victory for your target audience, right? You need to provide solution that they are desperately looking for in your headlines and what kind of transformation they desire. Then how you can spark curiosity in your headline. Okay, you understand the concept, then we will do practicals. Headlines featuring question marks are like irresistible invitation, guys. So you need to use question mark in your headlines. Okay, you can ask question that directly addresses your ideal client needs. Okay, so make sure you can ask question in headlines. Okay, piquing their interest and propelling them towards your ad. So pointers for headline, pain points, gains and sparking curiosity as well. Okay, yeah. Now we will understand how to create ads, Google search ad with AI, right? Now we will understand on how to create Google search ads with AI. Interesting, guys? Yeah? Any questions, any doubts, you can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you as well. Okay? So now what we will do is this there's an amazing tool here. Okay? You can use Copilot. Okay, so this is the URL. Okay, so this is the tool called as Copilot. Okay? Now you're going to use AI to your advantage, right, to create Google search ads campaign. Correct? Alright, so now you have the pointers. Now you write the prompt, act as if you are a Google Ads specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to power create say 20 powerful headlines in 30 characters for CSM training and certification. Okay, the headline should consist the headlines should consist the pointers with respect to pain points, gains, as well as it should spark curiosity. Okay, okay, right? The same thing you have to prompt, you have to write for description as well. So now you can say, here it is, I want to create 20 powerful headlines in 30 characters for CS, as well as 10 powerful descriptions, as well as 10 powerful descriptions in 90 characters. Okay, the headlines and descriptions, here you can say the headlines and descriptions should consist the pointer with respect to pain point, gains, as well as it should spark curiosity. Okay, copy this prompt here, Control C, copy this prompt. Okay, go back to Copilot, Control V. Sorry, I am, 1 second guys, 1 second, I just 1 second guys. Okay, so here it is. So just copy this text here. Okay, I copy this here, Control V. Yeah, now you should get it correct. Okay, wow, this is something super amazing. Now AI has created those ads for you, AI has created those descriptions for you. You can have keyword research, you have landing page, you have everything in front of you. Now you have to give a human touch, just deploy it, make it live, and you're good to go. So this is the power of AI in your Google search ads campaign. Ideally, what is important here is you have to use the right prompt, and so that you get the right output as well. Then just click on copy here, copied. Yeah, Control V, that's it. So this is how you can use AI as well to create compelling headlines and description. Okay, yeah, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Okay, then we talk about hyper targeted warfare. You can go beyond demographics. Google ads, offer mind-blowing arsenal of targeting options, right? So we'll discuss that in the practicals as well, how you can do your targeting. You can take your campaign to the next level by targeting website visitors of your competitors. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how you can do that in my next session. or people with specific interests relevant to your coaching niche. Then you can get granular. The more granular you get with your targeting, the better. Okay. So this means basically, this actually ensures that you're reaching the right people at the right time, maximizing the impact of your ad spend. Then you need to have a laser focused approach, and with this you can unlock your potential as well. So ideally, what is important when you are running a Google search ads campaign and you are actually interested in generating high quality leads, you have to leverage the power of long tail keywords. Specificity is the key, right? Okay. Long tail keywords, so for example, executive career coaching, okay, for burnout, okay, something like that, a long tail specific keyword. This is going to give you more leads here. Okay, so these specific keywords can attract highly motivated prospects who are searching for the solutions you are actually offering. Then you can do laser focused targeting. When you're using long tail keywords, you create hyper targeted ads campaign that directly speak to the needs and the pain points of your ideal clients. Okay, so this increases the relevance and effectiveness of your ads, leading to a high conversion rate, and then you win the search battle. While broad keywords, they definitely have higher search volumes, long tail keywords generally will have lower competition, and this will make it easier for your ads to stand out and capture the attention of your target audience, right? Okay, so this is how you have to follow this particular process. Then, as we discussed, you need to harness the power of questions. You can spark curiosity, speak their language, and you boost conversions, and then you can unlock the advertising gold as well. Okay, once you do this, then you have to unleash the power of hyper targeted campaigns. Now you might be wondering, how can I unleash the power? This can happen with audience insight. Okay, you need to have a thorough insights, just have a deeply understanding your target audience, as we discussed, pain point, desires and behavior. That's comparative research. Okay, uh, this is important. You have to identify the gaps in the market, then granular targeting, and then what is very important when it comes to success in Google search ads campaign is continuous optimization. You have to regularly analyze the performance of your campaign. Okay, then you have to make data driven adjustments to your targeting, to your ad creative. Okay, and then bidding strategies. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to Google search ads campaign. So this will help you to continuously improve and maximize your return on ad spend as well. Okay, so this is continuous optimization. When it comes to continuous optimization, it could be a landing page optimization, your ad optimization, your bidding optimization. Okay, so I'll just take you to one small campaign here, right? So I'll open Google Ads here. Yeah, we can start now. Okay. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, so we just made this campaign live yesterday. Okay, so I'll show this campaign here. So, so we got almost 14 clicks. Okay, so this campaign was live. So I'll take you to the campaign 1 second. I'll just take you to ads first. Okay, let me show you the ads. So So when you make Google Ads campaign live, ideally, this campaign was just live yesterday. Your campaign is in learning stage for first 5 days. So ideally, you should not touch your campaign, right? So the ad spend is excellent, okay? Because in those 5 days, okay, Google will definitely optimize the campaign, right? Okay, so this is how we created the Google Ads here. Okay, so this is performing very well. Ideally, in just 48 hours, we got 4 conversions from this particular campaign as well. Okay, so this is something you need to understand. What is important here is you need to continuously see what we have done here. See, if I go to ad groups here, right, I show you what we did here. Okay, so in this ad group here, right? So we first decided the target CPA cost per action is 300 rupees. So you have to do practicals here. Okay, so we took match types, we took broad match, we took exact match, and we took phase match here. Okay, when you're taking broad match, right? So this is for testing here. Okay, so what we did is we went to insights and reports here. Okay, so we go to search terms here. Okay, when you're taking broad match, continuously you have to take efforts to add your keywords in negatives. Okay, so this is very important, guys. You need to make sure that you need to add the keywords in negative, because when in broad match, so when you're taking broad match, your CTR will definitely be on the higher side. Okay, but you need to add keywords in negatives continuously. This will definitely come by practice. Okay, and this is one thing. Now I'm going to tell you one more important tool here. Okay, so that's called as heat map analysis tool. Now how are you going to optimize the landing page? How are you going to optimize the landing page? This is called as heat map analysis. Okay, landing page optimization will give you more conversions, right? This will give you definitely more conversions, correct? So we are going to use a tool called as Hotjar. Okay, this is very important, guys. So what I'm going to do is I open Hotjar here. Okay, I just click on get started. Yeah, okay. So now we have integrated the Hotjar code in ScaleUpConsultants.com. So what this tool basically does is it will actually create a video recording of your target visitors, how the users interacting with your website. So let me take you to some of the recordings, right? So okay, just click on recordings here. Okay, once you click on recordings here, right? Okay, so just scroll down here, right? Okay, so now we will see there are a lot of recordings are happening here, right? So this is an amazing tool that you will understand if any user is coming to your website, how the user is interacting with your website, right? So logically, when you're just creating a landing page, what is important is you have to drive traffic. You can drive traffic to Google Ads, you can drive traffic to social media, you can drive traffic to SEO. And then once you start driving traffic, what is important is you have to analyze how the user is interacting with my landing page. Okay, let's do that. All right, yeah. So say I click on play button here. This is lovely tool, guys. Yeah, see, here it is. So here is a video recording. See, this is how it is. User is selling the information directly. This is how Hotjar works, so you understand how user is filling up the information. So user is there on the registration page. So this is the live recording. You can see. So user was there on this particular page for 7 minutes 9 seconds. Okay, filling the information. Okay, save and proceed. See how users interacting with the website. So you get to know each and every activity. This is called as heat map analysis. This is the most important part in SEO and Google Ads. Whenever you're driving traffic, so you get to know how user is behaving, right? Live recording. So user has applied for the coupon code. Okay, yeah. Okay, see. Wow, this is called as live recording. Okay, understood? So this is how users filling up the information in their registration form, and user has come on this website, and this tool has tracked the recording of the particular page as well. So you can see live recording as well. Yeah, cool. This is pretty interesting. So now user is trying to apply for a discount code, but it has closed the pop-up here. Okay, so here this is how you can see the information here. Which if you just go here, you would see. Okay, again he come back to different pages here. So this is how these are called a live recordings, guys. Right? Okay. Yeah. Just click on moderate. Okay. So you can see a lot of visitors coming here on the website here, right? See, whatever visitors you are coming, right? All recordings are being actually stored here in this tool, right? Okay. So see, let's have a look at one more live recording as well. So just hold on.